To set Google text-to-speech language detection as aggressive in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap screen reader, tap settings, and then select text to speak. Set preferred engine as Google text to speak, tap preferred engine. If your preferred engine is Samsung text to speak, check in Google text to speak. Tap back button to save, and then tap settings icon in preferred engine. Select language detection, and then select aggressive to set in aggressive. Okay, tap back button to save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.